Hi everyone, this is our review of our new Samsung microwave oven, model number MC17T8000CS. The contents included with the microwave are the manual and installation guide, the above stove filters, the carbon filter if you don't have an external exhaust, the glass turnstile, and cooking racks not pictured, and lastly the microwave itself. So unboxed, and let's get this bad boy installed. And we will be replacing this Whirlpool WMH53521H Z06. Okay, now let's test it out. And looks like it's working great.